फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का यहाँ पे वंस अगेन हेयर इन दिस ब्रॉडकास्ट सेशन। सो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे अभी देखेंगे बैंक पेंशनर्स की वेरी गुड अपडेट स्टेप्स डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पेंशन एंड पेंशंस वेलफेयर के तरफ से। सो प्लीज़ वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखना दोस्तों, ये आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियली हो सकती है एंड आई होप ये बेनिफिशियल होगी भी दोस्तों। सो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से दोस्तों ये प्रेजेंटेशन है एंड so Department of Pensions Welfare Face Authentication Tech for LC, one of the best practices in digital innovation launched by Department of Pension and Pensioners Welfare in collaboration with UIDA and MEITY has launched face authentication technology for submission of DLC for enhancing ease of living of 70 lakh central government pensioners. So DLC through face technology authentication technology is based on Aadhaar using Android based smartphones. So process of submitting life certificate through face authentication. Step 1. In this step, the family pensioner needs to go through Google Play Store and search for Aadhaar Face ID early access application by UIDEA with latest version. So ये official update है. So after successfully installing the Aadhaar Face RD app on the device, it will appear in setting up app manager or app info. The application is used for the background process of Jeevan Praman application so that it is mandatory to install it. तो वो mandatory है दोस्तों, आपको install करना पड़ेगा. So once the Aadhaar Face ID RD app is installed on your smartphone and Android device, the family pensioners need to download another application called जीवन प्रमाण. तो आपको जीवन प्रमाण फिर से डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा फ्रॉम द गूगल प्ले स्टोर. So after successful installing both applications, the family pensioner should open the Jeevan Praman application. They will be taken to operator authentication screen where they have to provide their personal details as under. Click on the Aadhaar checkbox, enter the Aadhaar number, enter the mobile number, enter the email address and click on the submit button. So please ensure that all the information provided is correct as per the records. A pensioner, family pensioners and any other person on behalf of pensioner, family pensioners can be an operator to generate DLC. So डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पेंशन पेंशंस वेलफेयर की ये दोस्तों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है. आफ्टर प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन, द ऑपरेटर जो कि पेंशनर फैमिली पेंशनर होगा एंड एनी अदर person on behalf of pensioner need to submit the OTP sent to their respective mobile numbers and email address. So after submitting the OTP, the Jeevan Praman app will take the operator any other person on behalf of pensioner family pensioner to a screen where they have to provide their name as per the Aadhaar and they should click on the checkbox and then click on scan. The app will request permission for face scan and the family pensioner should press yes to continue the process. तो स्टेप 7 में आप देख सकते हैं बिफोर द स्कैन द ऐप विल डिस्प्ले इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड गाइडलाइंस फॉर द फेस स्कैन. द family pensioner should read them carefully. So afterward they need to click on the I am aware of this checkbox to continue and process proceed. The app will capture their face. जो स्टेप 8 है दोस्तों, द ऑपरेटर authentication is a one-time process. Pensioners can also be the operator. After operator authentication, a screen will open for pensioner authentication. So one operator can generate DLC of multiple pensioners. So after operator authentication, a screen opens for pensioners where they have to provide their personal details. Click the checkbox of Aadhaar, enter Aadhaar number, enter mobile number, enter email address and click on the submit button. So on clicking submit button, an option appears on screen. Enter OTP and click submit button. So after submission of OTP, a screen will appear where the following information is to be provided. Full name as per the Aadhaar, क्या नाम आपका आधार के अकॉर्डिंग, टाइप ऑफ पेंशन, sanctioning authority, disbursing agency, PPO number, account number, and click on the declaration, click on submit button. A permission to confirm will appear on the screen. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं स्टेप 11 में a screen will appear for providing consent and permission for scan. Click on scan. The process for scanning face will begin. So after face scanning, DLC submission appears on the mobile screen along with the प्रमाण ID and PPO number. So अगर आपको कोई क्वेरीज अभी भी दोस्तों पेंडिंग है, सो फॉलो क्वेरीज तो dlc@dopPW@governmentofindia.in, तो आप FB एंड ट्विटर पे भी दोस्तों फॉलो करके DLC की जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट्री है वो डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। इवन आप ऑफिशियल जो चैनल है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का वहाँ पे भी दोस्तों चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड presentation by Department of Pension and Pensions Welfare for DLC generation.